Tower, this is Ghost Rider requesting a flyby.
Negative, Ghost Rider. The pattern is full.
Sorry, Goose, but it's time to buzz the tower.
What's family for? Done by professional stunt drivers, and we are in Cozumel, Mexico. Just for reference, anyway. Tell you guys what though, these Firebirds all lined up together. A couple shots that I took look really nice. I'll put the pictures up here real quick while we're rolling through this footage. But I'm surprised they were able to stay civil.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I thought there'd be a lot more fighting.
Yeah. I'm sure there will be eventually. Do it. Yeah. We got busted for what we were doing, so we're gonna wrap it up from here. But yeah, as soon as he gives me the go ahead, I'll probably jump in the car with Brian. I didn't want to move anything. criminals. Yeah, I'm taking me in. Why do you have to put me in such positions? He's asking me a bunch of questions. I don't know how to answer. He's like, well, where are you going? Man, I don't know. I don't know where I'm even at.
I don't know. I was in Tijuana. These guys threw me in the back of the truck.
A whole lot of motor. Or as slow as this thing is.
And understand, I had his big ass in the car.
Oh, here we go. Oh, man, what?
With his camera equipment. My trunk's full of stuff.
Oh, we didn't load your truck up.
This is what it takes.
Yeah, right. Look at the scenery, guys, right here. I wanted to get a video of on the ground with the mountains in the back like that. Underneath this big old tree. We got some photographs from the other side, so hopefully it all turned out good. We're gonna have to see because this was just a one-time thing. We're gonna land the drone, and that'll be it. Big shout out. I think it's going crazy, man. You're gonna hit the tree. Big shout out to Brian, his brother Jeff, and Aunt Jennifer. Had a blast with them hanging out. Big shout out to this guy John right here, brought his drone and killed it. Killed it with the shots. But yeah, we had a blast. They all brought out their cars. Even Aunt Jennifer had her car, the white Trans Am's hers, she was driving. And yeah, it was a blast. So we're gonna head back to the house, look at some footage, start packing up and get ready for our next road trip down south. We're gonna head to Corpus Christi, where we have a little surprise coming for you guys there, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. Small hiccup, man down, got a flat tire going on, so we gotta go bail him out real quick. We'll go pick him up real quick. Luckily he's only like 2 minutes down the road here.